A Lyft driver made over $6,000 in 1 week. Yeah, I'd take that. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the Rideshare Guy. And today we're going to be talking about how drivers are using some of these earning guarantees and bonuses and many different things that Uber and Lyft are trying to do to lure drivers either back on the platform because they took time off or new drivers altogether. And so one driver decided he's going to take advantage of Lyft's crazy earnings guarantee offer that is in the market of Tampa, Florida, where he earned over $6,000 in 1 week. And we're going to break it down exactly what he did, what some of these earning guarantees are, and then what you could try to do to maximize this. Now, here's the fun part about this driver that I'm going to get to right now. He was a new driver. He needed to take 100 rides to earn a earnings guarantee of $6,000. He did that in 1 week. He actually took all 100 rides in that week, made that $6,000. And then he said, you know what? I quit. So that was kind of funny to hear, but we're going to break it down a little bit more than that. Now, one of the biggest things is, if you didn't know, Uber and Lyft are having a massive driver shortage right now and are trying to do everything they can to bring old drivers back on the platform or new drivers to start driving. So they're offering many incentives to come back and drive, usually in the form of earnings guarantees or ride completion bonuses. So it's going to come down to how busy your market is, how many drivers are in your market versus the amount of busyness that there is from ride requests. And it's going to take into account how much they're going to offer in each market. So Tampa, Florida is one of those markets that is seriously hurting for drivers. And so Lyft offered a incentive, a earnings guarantee that if you gave 100 rides, you would earn in a guaranteed earnings $6,000, which equates to $60 a ride. Now that's a really good promotion. A lot of the promotions that they're running actually right now for both Uber and Lyft in many markets are actually really good. Whether it's a ride bonus, meaning you have to complete so many rides in order to get that bonus on top of whatever earnings you make, that's always a good thing to have. And then also high earnings guarantees. If you make $6,000 for giving 100 rides, which equates to $60 a ride, yeah, that's really good when most rides are usually between $7 and $11. And that's going to depend on your market. And it's going to depend on, shortness of rides, longness of rides, market rate. There's a lot of different things, but you're probably going to see between $7 and $11 per ride in earnings. Now, how this driver did that in 1 week is just went out and drove pretty much the entire week. And as you see on the screen right now, that driver made $6,100.70 for 1 week, giving 100 rides. Now that comes down to about 14 rides or so per day. So depending on how long you're going to be doing it, you could get it done. If you are trying to implement some sort of strategy like this driver did, you want to try to take short rides. You want to take short, quick rides so it'll add up to this bonus and it's going to maximize the amount that Lyft would actually pay out for you. Now, what you see for this driver, his ride earnings are $698.53, which means that bonus that Lyft is giving is $5,228.99. Then on top of that, he makes some other tips, bonuses, and tolls, and that's how he made $6,100 in 1 week. Now, if you're looking to do something similar or see what's in your area and you are a driver, just log on the apps and see what they might be giving you for that particular week. Make sure you read all of the details, all of the fine print and everything to see exactly what you need to do in order to get either a bonus or earnings guarantee if you haven't been driving for a while. Then also for new drivers, you can always try checking out the referral link and seeing exactly how much you would make in your particular market, whether it's going to be $6,000 for 100 rides or if it's going to be lower. Sometimes it might actually be worth it. And hey, You don't have to continue driving after if you don't want to. And if you liked how this driver took advantage of Lyft's earning guarantee, 100 rides, $6,000, and he quits, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications so you'll be notified every time new videos are coming out. And that will include not only just rideshare news, rideshare coverage, and many other things, but it's also going to give you many different things within the gig economy itself. All right, everyone, drive safe.